Okay, let's start. Hello, welcome everybody to our presentation about the EV charging solutions as a power electronic. My name is Ayhan Güven. I am electrical electronic engineer, and I am working in power electronic since 2010. And now, firstly, we will try to understand why we are here today, what we will talk about it. And then our shortly company introduction will follow, and then our product lines informations. These are all summarized informations. And then especially we will be focused on the electrical EV charging solution. And we will try to understand why we should choose a correct EV charger, how we can do it, and our EV charger advantage and solutions we will see. And finally, how we can make cooperation with you, and then we will finalize our presentation. So let's start. Our webinar name, it's exactly electrical car charger presentation. Today our target is to understand power electronic EV charge solution. It is not completely technically, it is a little bit technically, and some aims for the sales, and how we can make cooperations to understand these informations. And as a finally, our webinar target to search how we can make cooperations with you. So let's start to our power electronic company introduction. In our company group, there is three main company in Turkey located. First one is Power Electronic. In Power Electronic company, we are dealing with the industrial power solutions manufacturing. I will show you our exact product lines. And in power engineering company, we are making design and engineering facilities in this company. Power solar energy companies dealing with the EPC solar energy power plant installations, engineering, procurement, everything on that business. And we have three other companies in the Europe and UK. In the Netherlands, we have Power Solar Energy Company. In Germany, also Power Solar Energy, PES Energy Company as known. And in UK, Power Solar Energy Company, we just opened these companies, and we are working with this six company. Power Electronic is an active since 1999, and more than 25 years we have big experience in the industrial power sector, and we have more than 10,000 customers, and up to now we finished more than 500 projects. I mean the big projects, and all in the world we have 45 dealers, and we are working with 70%. Sometimes it is changing, depends to the projects, and we have quality certificates for our products, for all product lines. Power Electronic has its own R&D center. What is the mean R&D center in Turkey? If you are R&D center in Turkey, it means the government supports you for your R&D projects as a financially, as a technically. So it is more easy to improve our own products. And we have our own know-how for the equipments, certified R&D by the government. And all our product solutions designed in our own R&D center. So now let's start the first product line. It is uninterruptible power supply systems. In this division and other divisions, there is some products which we are manufacturing, and some of we are just providing the solutions. And for the UPS, we have solution from 10 kVA up to 2800 kVA as a three-phase modular structure UPS. And the second one UPS solution, this is the tower type from 10 kVA up to 800 kVA. But there is a possibility to connect the parallel and expand the total UPS size. It is minimum 4 times we can connect the parallel. And another solution is single phase tower and rack type UPS solutions. It is from 1 kVA up to 20 kVA. Some of products with internal battery backup systems, some of external battery backup systems we are providing. And we are active in this sector for the Turkish market, and all over in the world we are active in the UPS sector. We have client and selling. Rectifier and battery chargers, actually we are calling these products as an industrial battery chargers. These products uses for the energy power plants, medium voltage, high voltage power substations in metro stations and all transformer substation systems. You can use these products. Petroleum pipeline stations, everywhere where you need to control some equipments with the DC energy, you have to use these products. These products keeps batteries charged, and in same time provide DC energy for your control equipment switcher, which has DC coils. In this rectifier range, there is some different kinds: 24 volt DC, 48 volt DC, 110 volt DC, and 220 volt DC output types. It depends your projects with which DC voltage design we are providing that units for that projects. Here there is a output current capacity also. It's very important. We are providing from 5 amps up to 1000 amps. We are providing these units. This units has also IEC certificates for some units, and we are making a production according to this IEC standards. For the single phase input also there is another type. Here the capacities is lower than the 3 phase. Also available for the output voltage 24 volt, 48, 110, 220 volt DC. These products uses especially on the your country's electrical distribution companies, electrical transmission companies for the power transmission distribution substations. These units must be used all in these projects. Also for the different kind of power plants like coal power plant, geothermal power plants, and hydropower plants. Also solar energy power plants need these products. In the sector, known these products, rectifiers or battery chargers. But these products every time uses with the battery backup units, different kind of battery backup units. So we are in the battery backup units, we are only provider, and we are using some of known brands battery. Depends to the project, sometimes requiring nickel cadmium batteries, sometimes OPZV gel type tubular plate batteries, and for some projects, dry type VRLA batteries, valve regulated lead acid. For some projects, especially in Turkey, for the high voltage substations, preferring OPZS liquid type batteries. So we are providing this battery backup units, and in same time we are designing the rack systems for this battery standing. Sometimes, very rarely, the clients preferring to use also lithium-ion batteries. We are providing for any ampere hour capacity these products. All these products known in the world, nickel cadmium batteries, origin in Europe, Alcant and gas brands. Also, we are preferring to use Yuasa, BAE, Exite, Hopeke, this kind of batteries we are preferring to use on the projects. Another product line is voltage stabilizers. Voltage stabilizers, where there is a high voltage fluctuations on the grid voltage. You have to use these products in order to keep your machines, loads, all kind of equipments to protect from the voltage fluctuations. In this line, we have two kind of voltage stabilizer. First one is servo type voltage stabilizers, another is static type voltage stabilizers. There is some design difference between each other. On the servo type, this is more performance this product has, but the correction time is a little bit long. But in the static type, these are more fast correction making, but the performance and for the industrial loads, every time we are preferring to use servo type voltage stabilizers. Here are some of solar energy system solutions and energy storage systems. In this line, we are providing the all engineering, designing facilities, and also can work as a contractor installer. We are making also turnkey projects for the solar power plants, for the rooftop applications or field applications. Up to now, we finished several megawatt projects in Turkey and in Europe also. On the energy storage systems, we are providing big size energy storage systems, sometimes integrated with the solar energy systems, sometimes individually just for the energy storage systems inside the containers, 1 megawatt, 2 megawatt, up to 10 megawatt, we can provide the solutions. So, up to now, summarized, we saw our product solutions, and now we will be focused for the our EV car charger solutions. Firstly, we will understand which cars need EV chargers, and how we can choose correct charger or the charger station, how they works, what is the types of the EV chargers, what is the advantage, disadvantage, and we will finish it how we can make business cooperations on the EV car charger business. So let's start firstly in which cars we have to use electrical car chargers. Conventional and pure hybrid systems are not in our scope of supply. We are not interested because these cars doesn't need any charging. Plug-in hybrids, some kind of these cars need charger, but definitely all battery electrical vehicle car chargers, these need these chargers because there is no any fuels availability. So firstly, when we need some car charger, EV charger solution, we will ask ourselves what we need. There is several things. For example, what we need just one unit for our individual house, or we want to make business on EV charger systems, and we want to install somewhere and to earn money from that systems, or we need only for our company car park, and we will charge only our company's car, for example. Or we are hotel or big shopping mall center, and we want to charge our visitors, clients' cars, and in same time we would like to earn money. So there is a different requirements. Firstly, we will ask what we need, and on the second time, where I am living. Where you are living, it is very important, because if you are living in the apartment, so you cannot install your individual car charger somewhere, because if you are fourth or 10th floor, and in your car park there is no availability to get there your own electricity, so you cannot install somewhere your own individual car charger. But if you are living out of city or somewhere, if you have owned houses, that time you can install for yourself AC or DC EV charger station. And the next question about your requirement: what is car internal onboard charger capacity? I will give more information. What is this capacity? This is about your car's inside onboard charging for AC charging stations, to understand which one is available, what is the power size. And then if you are thinking for your car to buy something, what is my car battery capacity? You have to know this information. It is also changing your charging time. How much time you have for charging? For example, during the day, if you go somewhere for a short time, that time it is very critical, your charging duration. Maybe you have maximum half an hour time for the charging. Or, for example, if you install it for your individual house, that time when you connect it at night, until morning, you have several hours, so you don't need any big capacity fast chargers. So you can find very optimized cheap solutions for this requirement. And what is my electrical infrastructure sufficiency? This is the best important, maybe the first time you have to consider this information, because even if you want to install somewhere one, let's say 100 kilowatt or 300 kilowatt electrical car charger, if there is no sufficient electrical infrastructure, you cannot install. You can install, but it is meaningless because there is no power. So firstly, you have to guarantee that I have sufficient electrical power, and you have to right to use all of this infrastructure. So after you clear all these questions, that time you can try to find some solutions. And in fact, the all EV car chargers has two main kind. First one is AC chargers, another one is DC charger. AC charger, it is known as slow charger, and this unit uses your inside the car OBC, onboard charger. This AC chargers are maximum 22 kilowatt. It depends to the electrical infrastructure because for the 22 kilowatt, it is definitely must be three-phase supply, and from the grid enters AC, and from the charger units leaves the AC and enters your onboard charger inside the car, and this onboard charger works together with the battery management systems on the car and charge your car battery. But in some model cars, some brands, there is 7.4 kilowatt onboard charger. Some models, let's say in the Tesla, there is a 11 kilowatt. And for some cars, there is a 22 kilowatt onboard charger. So if you have 11 kilowatt electrical car, it is meaningless to buy 22 kilowatt EV charger, because you cannot consume from the grid 22 kilowatt. Your onboard charge make limits for your power size. And AC type chargers are very slow charger. For the, let's say, 52 kilowatt battery capacities, you need minimum 2 or 3 hours for charging, fully charge your battery. But there is another type, DC chargers. DC chargers known as also fast charger. And these chargers consumes AC energy from the grid and provides DC energy to the car battery. So this in this line, the capacities, power capacities are so high. We have solutions from 30 kilowatt up to 300 kilowatt. We have solutions here. So here there is only limitations for your battery capacity. So you can charge your batteries with 60 kilowatt, 90 kilowatt, 100 kilowatt. And on this DC type charging stations, you can charge your cars, let's say 20 minutes, maximum 30 minutes, 45 minutes. Within this time, you can charge your car fully inside. So in which product you will prefer, you have to decide it. If you have a time, you can use the slow charger. If you don't have time, you can use the fast charger, DC type. Okay. In the another type of the chargers, there is two kind also. One kind is individual car chargers, and another one for commercial business type. If you deals with the business type EV chargers, if you are seller or installer, you have to know the differences these products. And here you are seeing our charging software management. I will show you on the next slides what is the business and commercial types differences and what need. You are seeing here OCPP protocol. This protocol is about the charger and the server communication with your car. So this protocols is only for the electrical car chargers. Improved this protocol. all cars designed for this protocol, and your car charger station and your software management server and your backend programs should understand the OCPP protocol informations, and finally you can manage all this charging system. So on the business and commercial types, it's mean you have to use some communication types. For example, uh, uh, local area network through local area network with the wireless cable, or with 3G, 4G, GSM communications to make giving and receiving and transmitting the informations with the charging software between your charger. And this software management chargers, when you download these products from the store, from your mobile, when you install it, you can see this kind menus: start charging, station locations. There is also navigation also, and for call centers, and after charging, some payment informations you can see. And if you leaves any problem, you can check the frequently asked questions, and for the login logout buttons you can see. All software managements or charging station operators has this kind of software, and you have to download this software to your mobile, and you have to make connection to that charger, and you have to start from here your charging operation. Here you can see how the charging stations are working and connecting uh, on the systems. Thanks to OCPP protocol, the charger can connect the car, and this units directly can communicate with charge point, and goes to the server and backend softwares, and on that ERP systems also can make compatible with this protocols. So all your payment informations or all your charging logs can be stored on this server units, and also your payment informations also saving on the system. You are using here mobile applications, and easily you can download it from App Store or Play Store. You can see the stations, where is the nearest stations, locations. You can see from these applications. You can use navigations. You can also see the charging station is available or not, and you can see your view payment informations. So if now we understand what is the electrical car chargers, requirements, types, kinds, now we will see our solutions, how we are providing these solutions for your requirement. On the first item is our DC chargers. This DC charger units is starting from 30 kilowatt up to 300 kilowatt, and here you can see two DC socket it has with cable saving system. These are DC type sockets known as CCS socket, and generally there is two socket. If your product is let's say 120 kilowatt total, you are sharing if you are charging in same time two car, you are sharing this power 60 kilowatt, 60 kilowatt for each car, or you can change it also, let's say 80 kilowatt to one of car and 40 kilowatt to another car. You can arrange it. Here you can see some of our installed units for this DC fast chargers. When you install, as you see here, you can connect to car and can charge it within half an hour. And here there is also LCD screen. You can manage also your charging by this LCD and menu system. There is also RFID authentications from here you can use. Also, if you can read the QR code and you can download the software easily, and you can set up and can manage your charge from remotely. Actually, in this unit, there is availability also to manufacture 400 kilowatt, 500 kilowatt, 600 kilowatt. But at that time, you have to change the type of the cables, because that time these cables are not sufficient for the cooling. So that time you have to use water-cooled cable systems, and that time system is becoming more complicated. Here you can understand better the DC and AC charger and differences. Firstly, you can understand the DC charger as a size is very big, and power as a power size also very big, together with the physical size. And the AC chargers are maximum 22 kilowatt, so the cables are more thin cable, and the charging capacities is slow, so you need several hours for complete the charging. And on our solutions here, you can see our DC charger. This unit already we saw right now, and we have another unit as a Edward zone. We are calling the name. It is with the advertisement screen, and in same time it is DC charging station with two sockets. We will see also this unit. All these units are AC type chargers. We have AC type with advertisement screen. Here, two pieces, 22 kilowatt, we can provide inside this unit. We will see also this unit. Here, you are seeing now our duo type EV chargers. These chargers are also AC, and in one unit there is a two socket from one LCD. You can manage all this two charging. There is very good advantage. I will also this unit. And another is business type AC wall mount chargers. You can see this unit has also LCD screen here with different color we can provide, gray, red, blue, yellow, green, orange, and some of football team colors also we can provide. And these units are for individual users. Here there is no LCD, very simple products. You can buy this unit, you can take and you can install also yourself easily. And the price also very cheap for these units. There is different power size from 7.4 kilowatt, 11 kilowatt, 22 kilowatt. Also for the commercial business types, here there is a different uh, power size. For the DC also, there is 30, 40, 50, 60, 90, 100, 120, 150, 180 kilowatt, 210 kilowatt, 250 kilowatt, 300 kilowatt. It depends your requirement and your power infrastructure. You can choose the power size. This is the DC advertisement charger. Actually, it is similar with the DC, but in same time, this unit has big size monitor, and you can show some advertisement on the screen. And the power size is starting from 30 kilowatt up to 120 kilowatt. The maximum power size is for now 120 kilowatt. But if you solve some temperature problems, the capacity can be expandable up to 200. On this units, the LCD screen size is 55-inch. Also, we have 44-inch solutions. These are also in same time the fast charging from 30 kilowatt to 120. There is a two-socket CCS type sockets. Also, CCS and CHAdeMO sockets can be available for Asian origin cars. You can change the sockets also. This unit also working as a normal DC charging station, supports OCPP protocol, all payment with the in Ethernet, GSM, and Wi-Fi support. The product has also emergency stop buttons for any emergency cases. There is also for charging management a 7-inch HMI screen. It is on this surface. There is this HMI screen. There is also RFID card authentication. We have 1-year warranty for and for your country we can provide wide technical service. And the big advantage for these products, you can make cross sales products. So, for example, if in one station, petroleum station, if there is a that time, you can make here some advertisement for your any other products, and you can increase their sales volume, and you can get more advertisement revenues. And in same time, you are earning from the charging electricity sales. These are our AC home type chargers. These you can see very simplified products. This products it's around, let's say, here is 30-40 centimeter. Here is 20-25 centimeters, and depth is around 15 centimeters maximum. And you can install these units to wall, or you can install units on the stands. Also, there is availability. There is two type for these units. Here you can see. First one is type 2 socket output. You can get your own cable, and you can plug your socket here, and you can start to charge your car. Another type, if you have no cable, your own cable, we can provide this unit with cable output. You can now take this socket and plug to the your car. Here you can see the standard colors. If you want, we can provide with this color solution. Who prefers this products? Especially end users prefer this products who has a own EV car, houses individual charge points, or some companies just for the boss car or employees car, they can prefer these units. So your target clients are like this. This product has a low price, and like as a whole household equipment, you can take and you can install easily. You don't need so big infrastructure. Depends to the power size, of course. If your house has maximum 10 kilowatt infrastructure, electrical and fuse consumptions and agreement with your electrical distribution company, that time even you cannot use 11 kilowatt or 22 kilowatt. You cannot take and install because your electricity infrastructure is insufficient. Low energy cost, plug and play easily, doesn't need any software management. You can just show your RFID card authentication, and the charging starts immediately. Very easily installations with 4 screw you can install. Need very small area, and you can make installation wall or stand. But for the stand applications, you have to buy additionally this metal stands. This unit's design all the body case is metal design, not plastic. And these units need low electricity infrastructure, so you can use for your own house individually. You can see here the types. I will just show you. Let me do. Now you can see the product label, cable input connection from the grid, mains cable charging output. This is the type 2 socket on the products. This is RFID card reader. This is the LED indicators. And for the installations, here there is a cautions, and for easy installations there is a 4-hole to make a connection to the wall or on the stand. All the bodies metallic design, so it is very strong, and you can use it on the outdoor conditions. The IP degree is IP54. So you can keep it on the outside. This is the AC, but this is the business commercial type chargers. So this product is more improved than the home type. Here you can see there is a LCD screen, again RFID, and in same time there is a leakage current protection inside, and some electricity counters inside. And the colors also available for the green, red, yellow, blue, and orange color. Also, if you want, we can provide you different colors. If the quantity is high, we can make it also like the football team colors. Also, we can manufacture it. Who buys this product? These are, as I told, very cheap than the DC type chargers. So small car parks, auto parks, malls, restaurants, hotels can buy and can use these charger stations for their own clients or their own cars. So if you want to deal with these products, you have to know where you should go and introduce these products. The price is very low than the DC chargers. These products also low energy cost has. For example, if you goes to charging stations, in most of charging stations, for the AC charger stations, the price is, let's say, 0.2 euro per kilowatt for the AC. On the DC side, if you check, maybe there is a 0.3 per the kilowatt. So your cost for electricity is lower than the DC on these units. There is LCD screen management advantage and needs software management through the OCPP protocol. So it's mean you have to get to the unit your internet connections or 3G connections. Inside the products also there is a 3G plug sockets. You will just buy 3G SIM card and you have to install inside. And it's very easy to make installation to wall or to the stand. It takes maybe maximum your 30 minutes up, maximum 1 hour. That's enough. You can finish your installation. Very small area required for install it, and requires low electricity infrastructure. When you install this unit to start charging, it's very easy. Firstly, your cable will be ready. You have to plug your socket to the product, and you have to authenticate with the RFID, and you will see the station is okay, and your car is comes informations that okay, then the charging starts immediately. It's very easy to operate the charging process here. This product is our AC business duo charger known. It's mean in one unit you can connect in same time. You can charge two car independently 22 kilowatt for each car. And in this unit also we have gray and red colors. And in this units also available to make charging with 11 kilowatt totally, two pieces 11 kilowatt. The design is available for that. There is a one RFID reader, and you can read different RFID card with same point, and for each car, everything is independently managed. Your payment, your charging process, everything is independent, but in one unit. So this product has a very big advantage for the small area requirement. For the auto parks and for the car parks, it is very important. You are just installing one in the middle of the two car, and you can charge in same time these two cars. And requires low electricity infrastructure, and you are just getting only one AC cable from the grid. Otherwise, if you use two different units, you have to get two different cables. You have to make extra working unit that time. It's very easily for the installation, and you are just taking and installing on the floor. If the floor is ground, that time you can make some simple concrete bases, and you can install it on that base. Here you can see some our installed units here, gray type 22 kilowatts in one small car park here. This two car can be charged in same time in the car park. For the outside applications, you can see directly you can install it on the outside on the concrete base here. And this is the IP for 54 degrees, so you can easily install on the outside. You don't need to use any other protection additionally. This is the AC type advertisement charging station, and here also the customer segments is auto parks, malls, restaurants, hotels, business centers, where you can make some advertisements. If you need to make some advertisements, you can install these units very easily. The price also very cheap than the DC charging stations, and you can get extra advertisement revenue, cross sales increasing with the low price, low energy cost. Very easily to make installations. You can get it there, and you can just fix on the floor. There is no additional equipments required. These units are for commercial purposes, so you need to install also internet systems here. Very easily installations, and two charge sockets on the left and right, maximum 22 kilowatts. There is also CCS type 2 sockets. Here you can see on the video applications how it is charging, and in same time on the LCD you can give there some advertisements. You can publish on the outside. And on the top of the products, there is also additionally LED indicators. It's mean on the right side is charging, or left side is charging, or both sides is charging. That time there is a different LED lines. Here there is a green and blue. It's mean only on the green side there is a charging at that time. Here you can see one of our applications for these units. In this car park outside, you can see our DC charger. It is 180 kilowatt, and AC type advertisement screen AC charger here. So just need one concrete base, and you can install easily the units, and you can start the charging operation for your station. Here is what we are working for now, bidirectional charging system. For example, during the day, you can charge the car battery, and when you need, if there is electricity disconnections, or you need to extra electrical energy, so that time you can get your energy from the storage inside the car. It this is known grid vehicle, grid systems. Hope soon we will improve our products with these functions also. Okay, now we finished our product lines for the EV charger. We saw AC and DC charger, advantage, disadvantage, kind of these units, and what is the difference, all these products, and we saw some examples installed our references. Now we will try to understand how we can earn money and who earns money on this business sector. In the EV charging sector, on the medium, there is a client who charges the car. This is the client. There is a EV charger manufacturer, and there is a software operators. All these are shareholders on this business. And there is a field owner where you are placing the charger. It's the field owner, location owner. And the product seller, another shareholder. And in same time, if you are installer and product seller, there is also installer here. And service maintenance, you can earn money on this side also. But mainly on the outer side, there is governments, electrical distribution companies or private companies for some countries. So all your these operations rules depends the electrical distribution companies permission. So you have to follow their rules. So now we have to ask to ourselves where we are in this shareholder, or where we can be here for earn money. For example, we are as a power electronic, we are in manufacturer's side, and we are also software operator. We have also license for the charging stations. We are operator, and we are a product manufacturer. So if you have, for example, your own field, which is very seems profitable area for EV charging stations, you can be also in the field owner. Or you can be, for example, product seller, and we can sell products. You can buy and you can sell to your clients. Or you can be product seller and in same time the installer here. Or in same time you can be service and maintenance company for the EV charging stations, or only you can deal with the service and maintenance also. So here there is opportunities to make business with us. So to understand what we can do in the near future, we have to answer these questions. For example, what is the business potential on your country? You will check if there is a very low petroleum prices, like Middle East countries somewhere. There is no so big EV car charging market. But for the Europe, for the Turkey, for these countries, yes, there is a very big advantage. For the US also. And you have to decide which one you would like to be for make cooperations, to sell or install or build charging station or make service maintenance facilities. Would you like to be our solution partner after these answers? If yes, Would you like to get our products with our brand name, under brand name, or with the white label with your own brand name? Also, we can provide this units to you for your country. And what is your forecast for a year, for 5 years, where you would like to be and what you would like to achieve? If you give this summarized informations, we can fastly decide to make cooperations with you. Do you have any experience in this sector, or you are dealing newly? So it is very important to understand your duration to adopt on this business. Yes, now we are very close to finish our presentation, and I just would like to share one information with you. On the November 13 to 15, we have EV Charge Show, and we will participate to this exhibition. It is in Istanbul, IFM Exhibition Center, and Hall 1, booth C1. Welcome to visit us in this exhibition, and we can make small meetings with you, and we can expand our cooperations also during the exhibition. So I finished my presentations here. If you have any questions, you may write, and with pleasure, me and my colleagues will answer your questions. Thanks for your participations and patience for during the presentation. I don't know, I cannot see during the presentations, is there any question or not? Let me to stop the sharing. Yes, there is some questions, and our colleagues already answering them.
Yes, Mr. Sinan giving all answer, Mr. Ryan. Thanks.
Okay. Is there any other questions or to tell something? If you need to reach us, you can reach us by email, by mobile communication, in everywhere. Okay, I would like to wait 1 minute more if there is any question. Or later you can write also your questions on our website.
Ayhan Bey, herkesin sesi açık mı bilmem, belki sesli sormak isteyen
Yok,
var.
sadece yazabiliyorlar. Mikrofonlar kapalı şey
Seni.
olmasın diye. Ötme falan da yapıyor ya arada bir.
Okay.
Okay. Mr. Vedat, would you like to tell something, or we can end the webinar?
Yeah, we can end. Yeah, thank you very much for everybody, all the worldwide. Thanks a lot, and see you next webinar, maybe a few months later.
Thank you, Mrs. Fatima Haracic.
Mr.
Thanks,
George,
Orhan.
thanks. Mr. George, did you remember Mr. George from Germany?
George, yes,
He,
yes,
uh,
I
in,
remember.
in
Mr.
Kenya,
Adnan
Kenya
also,
field. Yeah.
Mr. Adnan Avcı. Okay,
Yeah,
so thank you very much for your participation, and hope meet again in the next our seminars in the near future. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.
Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.